If you're like me, your shower is more than just a quick rinse. It's where you clear your mind, shake off the day, and actually start fresh. But so many traditional shampoos leave our hair feeling either coated in buildup or squeaky and stripped. Today we're hitting the reset button with this clean Slate Mini Shampoo Bar. It's a gentle foaming cleanser that gives your hair a true fresh start without the harsh sulfates or plastic bottle waste. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it's going to change the way you think about hair wash day. The magic behind the foam is SCI powder, which is a gentle cleanser derived from coconuts. Today we're balancing that with a conditioning emulsifier and hydrolyzed rice protein to smooth and strengthen your strands while you wash. To keep things lightweight, we're using coconut oil and cornstarch. This combination creates a creamy feel that leaves your hair soft and shiny from root to tip, rather than that dry, straw-like feeling some bars give you. Here is what you'll need to create your clean slate. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil solid, 1 teaspoon of beeswax, a half tablespoon of conditioning emulsifier, also known as BTMS 50, 1 tablespoon of SCI powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of hydrolyzed rice protein. For our scent blend, we're using 2 drops of lemongrass and 1 drop of hoe wood. You're also going to need 3 teaspoons of cornstarch and a small silicone mold. We're also going to be adding 3 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative to help this recipe last longer. You can skip it. Without it, the shelf life of your shampoo bar is going to be about a month. With it, your shampoo bar will last up to a year. I'll link the ingredients below, and you can also grab them in this month's Simply Earth recipe box, where we send you the key ingredients and recipes right to your door. First, we're using a double boiler or 30-second intervals in the microwave to melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and emulsifying wax until they are completely clear. Add the SCI powder. Now, it won't fully dissolve. It's going to turn into a thick, sticky white paste. Just keep mashing with your spatula. Take it off the heat and mix in your protein, oils, cornstarch, and preservative. Pro tip, it should go from glossy to a matte Play-Doh texture. If it's too wet, just add a pinch more cornstarch. Press it firmly into your mold. You really want to pack it in tight so it stays solid. Let it air dry for 24 to 48 hours. Don't rush this. It needs that time to harden so it doesn't melt in your shower. If you love natural DIYs like this, you need to check out the Simply Earth recipe box. It has key ingredients and recipes to create natural, toxin-free products at home with a new theme each month. To use your new bar, just rub it between your wet hands or directly onto wet hair to create that gentle foam. Massage it into your scalp, rinse, and you're done. Between uses, make sure to store it in a draining soap dish away from the water stream so it stays firm. It's a foamy little reminder that self-care doesn't have to be complicated. Try it yourself and share your creations with #IMadeThis, and you could win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. For more fun, easy DIYs, subscribe to this channel.